Hi, this is Darren Ravel with Keller Williams Elite Realty. Giving you the update, the market update for the week ending July 9th, 2010 for Maple Ridge. This is for our area, stemming from Mission to Port Moody, BC. In our area this last week, we've had 313 new listings, 143 sales, 218 price changes. We've had 4,301 listings right now that are active, which gives us 6.94 months worth of inventory. I broke this down to attached, which is condos and townhomes, to kind of find out what those were doing in the market. In this past week, we've had 148 new listings, we've had 66 sales, and 84 price changes. There's 1,660 of those currently listed, and which gives us 5.8 months worth of inventory just for the attached properties. I broke this down just to condominiums. We had 94 condominium sales in our area for the month of June. There's 1,048 listings right now, giving us 11.14 months of inventory. Telling us right now that our condos and apartments have moved into a buyer's market, and we'll probably see those prices dropping a little bit here so that people can get into those. And as people get into those, they'll get into the other ones. So anyway, check back again next week, and I'll give you an update at that point for the next week. Okay, thanks. Bye-bye.